Here in this video, we are going to start the date and time function based on the above table given TB2. So in this video, we'll learn how you will work with date. Basically, date will work time function. Basically, date and time will the format of date in SQL, MySQL, that will be y means year, then month, then date. So this is the format of a date, and the time format will be as usual HH colon minute second, HHMM and SS. So in this video we learn about how you will do the work with date. So first of all, I will tell you few functions like select date, cur date. This function tell you the current, return the current date according to the system, like this 27/3/2020. Next, if you will write now at the place of current date, now it will tell you the time and date both, date first and then time, at what time this command will execute according to the system date. Now next is sys date. This also tell you the sys date. Sometime system date returns the date and time of a system. See, it is according to this. Same as next is only date. When you will type date, then date returns the date part of the date time expression. Sorry, it will help with include with system date, or like this date is like this, you will use like this date, sorry. So date and then system date, this help according to that, according to this. Now if suppose that you want to, now few functions are returns the weekday. Now this is the direct functions that we are using according the date given in the working with the system. Now suppose that if we have a date in a table, and we want to work on it, then how you will do this? Here, this column having a date, this see dob, this column is having date. Okay, see in this table dob is the column for working with date. Now how we will do the work with dob, like select dob from tb2. This will display the date format. Now suppose that I want to work with a day. I want day of a day name. It is the name of the week day, like its current date, or current working date, or day name. Then how we will do? Select day name. Within the bracket, you will write the column name like this, from TB2. Now see, 2001 to 3, 3 to 2001, the day is Saturday. 3 to 2002, the day is Sunday. 3 to 4 to 2003 is, sorry, 2000 is day is Friday. Like this, um, the day, it will tell you the day name. Same as day of month, it returns the day of the month. Like select, if we write select day of month or current date, if we write current date, day of month, we'll use day of month month, dob, then it will, the day of month is 3, third day, fourth day, fifth day, seventh day. Like 30 days are there in the month, then 25th day, 30 day, first day, this will display this. uh, so now next is day of week. Day of week, what day of week will display? Day of week means what is the, returns the day of week 1 to 7. Like uh, see first, uh, see the, this is a day of week, seventh day of week means, if second we are talking about, suppose that it is Saturday. Saturday is the seventh day of the week. Sunday is a, Sunday is the first day of week. Friday is the Friday. In this context, six, 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 all are Friday. That's why yes, day is 6. So in this way, we will find the day of week. Now see, day of year. Day of year, year, day of year. Now see, 34, 34, 35 month, according to, I have given second month, third month. This question also many times asked in the board examination of 2012, 13, 15 also. So what is the day of year? Means suppose that in a January there is a 31 days. So I have given a date of 14, then it will be 14th day of the year. Suppose that the month is 20 February, 28th of February, then 31 plus 28, total, 8 plus 1 9, 3 plus 2, that is 5, 15, 59th day of the month. Like this you can mm, write. Like if you want to, if the output will become like this, suppose that if I will give here 20, 2000, 0 to 28, it was, then in this case the 59th day of year that I have told you already. So in this way we will find the date, day and date functions in SQL. So this, for this class, this is only for the functions, method and functions for the dates. In next class we will tell you string functions and some mathematical functions for next table. Thank you very much.